is the story of a girl whose childhood dream was shattered, leaving her completely devastated. She had been very intelligent since childhood. She had only one dream: to become a teacher. When she was little, she would teach herself, just as she had seen teachers in school, and even check the answer sheets herself. She didn't even realize when this childhood game became her dream. She always had this idea that after she passed the 10th grade, she would take up arts. She did that. And after completing the 11th and 12th grades, she would pursue a BA and later a BEd. But perhaps God had other plans. After the 12th grade exams, a lockdown was imposed. Due to some personal problems, she couldn't go to college, which resulted in a year of wasted time. Then, a year later, she took an exam for a course that could have made her a teacher, but she never heard of the results. She had no one to tell her, nor did she have any friends from her school. She was grappling with this pain. She completed the first year, but for some reason, she couldn't fill out the second year form. This led to this. The year was wasted, and then she began to realize that she would never become a teacher, so she stopped thinking. She had another option, a hotel management course, but she couldn't decide whether to do it or not. Life was giving her another chance to do something, to achieve something. Would she ever be able to prove herself? She had just completed her BA, but she couldn't understand what to do now. Many people had come into her life whom she considered close, but with time, they all changed. Her childhood friendship lasted just one day, or rather, her section was separated. One girl made new friends, but she never became a close friend to the other, and she couldn't understand this. It took so long that she started crying a lot. But it didn't matter to her, and she got busy with her friends. Then the other girl also found a friend in the 11th grade. But by the next year, she also changed. Others became special to her, and she was alone again. They used to take pictures of everyone together on their phones. But still, she used to stand alone and eat alone. After school got over, her house became far away, due to which she was not able to meet anyone. Those who were special to her got busy in their college life. So she also stopped talking to everyone because no one used to message her. Although she was connected on social media, but no one remembered her. So she first stopped texting and started living alone and enjoying alone. They even went to restaurants after their exams, but no one remembered her. They only saw her pictures, so she stopped having expectations from anyone. She had grown up from everything. It did not matter to her, but sometimes she used to feel pain too. But there was no one to understand her, and neither is there anyone till today. Because of the girl with whom her friendship had broken, she had stopped believing in friendship.